We're out here at Jippy Flippy's. It's been what, 7 to 9 years he's been working on this freaking Baja. So he's gonna run you through it. Then we're gonna do it for a quick little test drive with it. It's quite the unit now, I'll tell you what. Let's hear it, brother.
All right. Well, to start, it's a 208cc engine, a GX 160 head that was like stock 18 cc's, but I milled it down to 17. Port polish, 22-pound springs, CL2 cam, Champion rockers, VM 22 carb, and then a Geo style exhaust. I think that's about it.
Plus all the wiring. He built custom wiring harness. Yeah. It's not totally finished yet, but.
And then an NG case for our plug wire. Pretty basic bitch.
What's this thing here? This marijuana jar?
That's my catch can.
For?
Catches all the oils.
Oh, ever neat.
From the crankcase venting.
Oh.
And then, the old light switch I made it. Daytime running lights. Headlights on. Low beam, high beam. Headlights off.
And then that's GPS Speedo. And then he's got a little Jimmy rig here with you put a DeWalt battery in there and it runs all his lights and stuff. Or Milwaukee's, is it? Okay. He's gonna get that for you. So you just slide her right on in there?
Yeah, that's it. She's in there.
Okay, and show me the light.
Show me the light.
Oh, that's pretty neat, man. I like that.
Is it working?
Yeah. Electric start?
No.
One day.
But then that's what turns on.
And the GPS turns on from that button too?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's like the master power basically.
And then your hour meter's on there also?
No, our meter's just on all the time.
Oh, what's she down here?
Yeah. That's a new one. The old one was at 7 hours, I think.
Okay.
And the max rip 'ems. That's the warning. And then this is what it's been to.
63, I can't really tell on the camera. 6390. Okay.
And that's a stock rod in there. Just like
stock rod! Yeah, this thing's been through hell and back, I'll tell you what. It's falling apart on the road 3 times?
Twice this engine.
Twice this engine? Yeah, what was it?
There's not torque and bolts tight. A lot of vibrations.
No doubt.
It's got high compression. I think the compression on this is like 12.1. 12.5 to 1.
That's impressive.
She's up there.
And you got nitrous for it, don't you?
No, I don't run it on this.
Not anymore?
No.
You do have nitrous?
Yeah. It
melted
it last time though. So.
It melted the, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it melted the piston?
No, it melted the block.
Jeez.
Right through. We're in the block, had to get an engine.
Wow.
I'm surprised it didn't wreck the head, same head. So I was basically running the exact same setup with the nitrous, and it made a couple power hits, and then didn't make no more power.
Actually, I think that video is on your channel, eh?
Yeah,
that's a Jippy Flippy.
So then, yeah. Well, I also put the Juggernaut drive pulley on it, right? So that really changes. It's faster just with that pulley than the nitrous was making it. With the old drive pulleys. Even
at low RPM, like off the go.
Just better unit.
Okay. Okay. Probably can't see it. That clutch, eh? That was expensive, eh?
No, the drive pulley is like $80.
$80? Okay. Okay.
But because that's an actual Comet, yeah, it's like $300 at Princess Auto, so that was expensive.
Okay.
And you can get clones on Amazon for like $100, $80. So.
Oh wow.
You can get them for a pretty decent price now. Yeah.
So all in all, how much money do you think you spent on this?
Oh, fuck. I don't know. Like over the time, it's definitely over $1,000. Guaranteed.
Over 1,000, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Just on parts alone.
Just say, like just one engine on it and everything else, yeah, probably $1,000.
$1,000, eh? And she'll do 80K, you think you said, eh?
Oh yeah, easy.
80K.
And then I just let out because I don't want that stock rod coming through. That's the point of that.
Yeah. She's a nice unit.
Once it's painted, it'll be nice.
Yeah.
Like, that seat makes it look a lot better, I think.
I think so. And then the original.
Cleans it up, makes it look more like a little bike.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, well, he's gonna fire it up and he's gonna take us on a rip.
This is a high temperature running engine. Doesn't like the cold. I'm just cycling some food.
Oh my. I will later. So that's it for the mini Baja experience after what, 7 years of no footage. That's how far he's gotten with it. I mean, this bike taught us a lot of things, like all of our friends, like just mechanical, just for life in general. Like, it was a great learning experience. So if you do have kids, this is like a great project for them, and it's a good project for yourselves too.
Yeah, for sure.
It'll teach you a lot. I still got to take apart the Del Sol. I think I'm gonna do that tonight. Got some issues with it in the rear end. I got squeaks, and now I think it's the brake drag, or there's a rock in it. I'm gonna find that out tonight.
If this video gets 50 likes, he'll buy a mini bike. I think that's a fair compromise.
You think that's fair?
I think that's fair.
All right, 50 likes, I'll buy a mini bike, and then I'll walk you through every build video that we go through, because I got the master mini bike builder right here. Anyways, guys, talk to you later.